Hey again, this is Professor Eric, and I'm going to look at Inscryption. We took a look at Shotgun Roulette, and I guess, let's see, Shotgun Roulette came after Inscryption, so I think basically it was kind of a Inscryption with guns, they say, but also like watered down or distilled down to its essence. In terms of the interaction between the mysterious dealer, sign your soul away to the devil, whatever kind of thing, and the player. So now we're looking at Inscryption, which is the inspiration for the game, which I don't know an awful lot about. I've seen different some discussions, and I know there's overworld and more story mode and things like that. And I've seen some images and things, but this is the first time I'm actually playing it on my own. So let's go. Has a very VHS found footage vibe so far. A little bit of chromatic aberrations and some noise around this very, very primitive looking play button, as we would have seen in early VHS, VCR, capture, recorder, etc., etc. So let's give it a try. Daniel Mullen Games. Now, unless I'm mistaken, where am I knowing Daniel Mullins from? Oh, some other good games.
Okay.
Perhaps.
Time to figure out what's on this thing.
Fill in the blanks. Oops. Any button to start. Okay, mouse button. New game, continue, options, credits, quit. All right, let's take a quick options. Oh, I see, it's a card. So I'm gonna take this card and drop it there. All right, I'm learning stuff. And brightness, wow, okay. Oh, flicker effects or screen shake. Did I just turn them on? I don't know whether or not it's doing it right or not. I don't know. It's, Resolution, okay. Really on the high side. Oh, so this is I'm going to set it to this because I want it to be centered in the screen, whereas where we're capturing it from. Yes, I can run higher resolution, but I want it to be in the middle. All right, brightness gamma. Just going to go with that. All right, so now you can see everything as it should be in the capture. All right, glad I went there. We're going to turn the volume down just a little bit. Okay, the reason I look over there is that's my control screen over there. Yeah, what I should do is eventually I'll put one of my screens in the corner here. Okay, pause when window not focused, fair enough. All right, do I click outside? How do I say enter? I'm done, space. Okay, card back. Now, new game. Do I... Maybe I'm continuing now because I just did some settings. All right, I'm continuing. Little floppy disk icon, a little remnant of the past. Okay, the graphics vibe is already a little Shotgun Roulette. Oh, all right. Hello. It has been ages. All right. Perhaps you've forgotten how this game is played. I certainly don't know. Okay, now we're talking real card game. Play the squirrel card. All right. play your stoat. I'm gonna guess S is stoat. No? Oh dear. Play your stoat. Okay, I hit tab to see what's up. Nothing going on there. Stoat, my stoat. Oh! Look at that. Wish they'd told me that. So... Oh, stoats cost 1 blood. Sacrifices must be made. Okay, so I'm going to sacrifice the squirrel. Sorry, squirrel. Okay, play the stoat. I should pay attention. Oh, that's the W and S keys. Not the stoat key. Alright, wolves require 2 sacrifices. I don't have enough. Okay. Ring the bell to end my turn. Commence combat. Fair enough. My stoat stands unopposed. The number on the bottom left is its attack power. 1. Okay. And 3, I assume. Okay. You didn't get to play any cards. You win if you tip my side all the way down. Like that. Okay, like this. Alright, his turn. Coyote. Now. Stands in the way. So the stoat seems healthier, but the coyote's attack is pretty brutal, I think. Yep, 2 damage to my stoat. Darn it. Poor stoat. Your stoat's health is 2 less. Fair enough. Alright. My turn again. So, now, draw from the deck, or you may draw a squirrel. Is that the squirrel? Am I drawing the squirrel because I lost the squirrel, or is it just always an option to draw a squirrel? I'm going to draw from the deck. Now this is a thin deck here. Oh well. How reckless of you. Okay. Oh. Oh, I like my hand here. 3, 2, 2, 2, 6. So wait, how much of a sacrifice did it require? Oh, this is cool. All right. I guess that's all I got, right? Only draw a card at the beginning, and I don't get into that. All right. How nice of him. Or her. You've drawn all the creatures from your deck. A squirrel is your only choice. Okay, that's why my deck was kind of empty there. All right. I can play the squirrel, right? All right. And now 2 sacrifices. Fair enough. Sorry. Okay. No. And the scroll. So now I can wolf. Okay. Alright, I don't have any sacrifices to do here. 1 card per turn. Ding! Okay. Alright. Pass. So I could take a squirrel. I can play a squirrel. I could sacrifice the wolf, but that doesn't really give me anything, right? Alright, because there is a wolf. Now the snapper. So I'd have to sacrifice these two to get the snapper, I assume. And we do guaranteed he'd be okay. Let's give it a shot. Alright. So he can't do much damage, but he's got lots of health. That's the idea. That's what I'm going with. I won. Alright. So, recall your story. So now we're into story mode. Okay, I've seen pictures of this. You were lost deep in the forest. Forest, and that's me, I assume. There we go. A single path revealed itself. There is the only place I can go. Two denizens of the forest approached you tentatively. The adder. Undying cat. Ooh. That's neat. Oh. I gotta go with the cat. I love cats. Many lives, when a card bearing this sigil is sacrificed, it does not perish. Okay. Cool. This is why it's a deck builder. Some of the creatures of the forest seem willing to follow you. Like the cat. Abandoned sack. Squirrel in a bottle. Very cute. It's pretty well rendered too. I mean, there's transparency, the glass here, the cork, little shine there, little specular highlighting there. It's kind of funny. Everything else is kind of low poly, but that's a decent little effect. Emergency, and have a second. Tip the scales with these pliers. All right, 3 is as much you can carry. Fair enough. Now, I'm going to assume this is another match over here. Is that right? So here I'd be back to playing. Right? Ah, okay. Ambushed while crossing some rough terrain. So, 2 stumps and a boulder. I wonder what this means. The stoat. Play along for now. Okay. I may see my moves ahead of time. Okay, so to get the stoat, I'm gonna have to play a squirrel. Oh, he's about to play the wolf? Is that right? Oh, okay, so no drawing the cards there. Your items may help. Okay, so I could grab a squirrel, grab another squirrel, play that squirrel, play that squirrel, and then I'll play the snapper. Alright. And when can I play the Undying Cat? I guess I could have done that. That would have been the thing to do. But it's too late. Mighty Leap, a card bearing this sigil. Okay. Block an opposing bearing the airborne sigil. Ooh, things to remember. Okay. This sigil. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Let's go back to this. All right. So. Oh, I see. We're busting the stumps. Mind the ambitious wolf cub. It ages swiftly. Okay. So it's going to grow up or something like that. All right. I'm going to draw. I'm going to play the cat. Oh, I have to play the cat on... Oh. I keep wanting to do that. Tab? No. I can't play the wolf. Okay, so the wolf grew up. The bat flies over creatures to attack directly. That sounds... Okay. Ooh, ooh, okay. Should have done that. That was silly. Cat. Alright, so now... No, I don't want to kill the stoat. Alright, so this is going to attack the boulder. That's going to attack me. I really needed to play something there to protect myself, right? That's what I goofed. Gotta stop doing that. Alright, I guess I go. Okay. Ouch. Alright. So, let's grab the squirrel. And let's... I did something there. Ouch. So I guess I tipped the scale by pulling out my own tooth. That's brutal. All right, I'm gonna play the squirrel here. Now I'm gonna kill the squirrel, kill the cat, play the wolf. Alright, I'm getting the hang of this now. Alright. Ouch. So, now I could play the squirrel, then kill the cat, kill the squirrel, play the wolf. No cards. There we go. Grab the squirrel. I could kill the cat and play the squirrel. Yeah, right? It really doesn't do much. I won. Okay. So, did that. Now, gonna do some more deck building, I assume. So, let's just try that. Okay. Wolf cub. That's kind of cool. Sparrow. Inexpensive, feeble flying creature, but it does have this fly. I'm gonna go with the sparrow. Okay, this is very cool. I'm gonna stop there though, and we'll come back to this. I think that's enough for starters. So we got the basic mechanism. We just get the animals of the forest. We have to like know kind of who's what. The sigils to like get a firm understanding of those. I like this. So it's a deck builder, card playing kind of game here with the overworld. Nice story mode. Mysterious other character. In terms of the connections to Buckshot Roulette, I don't think it's as connected as people say. I mean, there is this, across the card table, the challenger, the invisible, Yeah, I get that. And I get it. I can see the inspiration, certainly the inspiration. But I think they're obviously pretty different. I expect them to be a lot more similar, and I am actually quite pleased. I will definitely play this more. I like it. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I better stop there. I was going to watch all the whole video. We're going to save some more for like next time. All right, thanks everybody. Have a great night. And let's see. So tab, and we're going to last saved 1 minute ago. Go back to start screen options. What do I do? All right.